Welcome, guys. Okay, let's talk about the source. So we have been seeing some of the stuff. This is on the first video in the series. I told you how we're talking about how to evaluate an ICO. Talk about the team, the journey so far, the value, the market, the timing, exchanges, disruptive, orders, which is the miscellaneous. Talk about the third party and compliance and government regulations on developers and the rest of them. And then we have the token distribution. I'm going to explain that. You can see the video. We talk about the external factors, ordinary people versus powerful people, and talk about the technical side. And then the money aspect. Then we talk about the business model, which was the last video. And now we're talking about the source. So the source, where do you get the information about new and ongoing ICO or upcoming ICOs? One of them is Smith and Crown, and many platforms. I've actually covered them. You can check them up, and you can see as many. There are many platforms per se. And the down has to do with the ICO website itself. You go to the ICO website, you get information about the ICO. You get information about the ICO. Then you talk about the company white paper. It's very good. You study the white paper. White paper is basically a business, let's say, kind of business proposal, or it's like, let me just without making things complicated. And a white paper is a document that contains everything about the company, from the team, everything you've seen here, that covers the team, the advisors, to the journey so far, that covers the value they are bringing, that covers their market, that covers their timing perspective, then the exchanges, disruptiveness, orders, and token distribution, the external factors, technical side of it, then the money side of it, the business side of it. So the white paper contains everything. So the website is just basically an introduction. White paper is where you see everything you need to know. Then another source again is social media. So social media, you could get, like I tell people, take social media as information, but don't add on that information. You just go and make your own research. So social media is another place you can actually get information about stuff. And then the last one is you. So you are the big determinant of everything. If you take everything hook, line, and sinker, it's going to be very, very good at the long run. So you want to make 100 decisions, and the probability of you making a mistake should be, in 100 cases, you should be able to get 99 decisions right. Yeah, you should be able to get 99 decisions right. And if you listen to all this, you'll be able to get them right. So the next video, I'll be showing you how to avoid the mistake I actually made when investing in an ICO. How do you avoid such mistake when you invest, after you might have done all this research and you've gotten the information, the source, you've done all the research, and you say, yeah, this is the platform I want to make. How do you now participate in the ICO? How do you send your money to them? How do you get your tokens? Then the KYC stuff and the rest of them. How do you avoid such stuff from happening? That is the next video. So guys, I told you, if you get it correct if you get the basis right, you'll be able to make very good decisions. I'll see you in the next video.